Bundangbear here. I requested aid or relief money from YouTube partners, 20% going to Haiti. No one replied with the exception of wonderful Cindy, Mia, who replied giving a list of items, which is a great idea. As I see and think about the earthquake now comfortably in the past of the average American, I reflect on, first of all, the amount and tremendous outpouring of hate that I saw on YouTube regarding the victims of the earthquake. And this tremendous outpouring of evil, unknown, anonymous users of anger, of hatred against black people was shocking, uncalled for, and represents a hopefully very, 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 very small part of the American collective subconscious, which is often and can be often extraordinarily ugly. Was the Haitian earthquake caused by forces in the government, accidentally or on purpose? Was it caused by HAARP, a massive antenna system which is capable of projecting through the ionosphere and bouncing back to Earth, originally designed to locate enemy subs or enemy bases underwater? It can, in its viewing, potentially cause an earthquake? Could it? Is it powerful enough to move tectonic plates? What do you think, people? I'm asking your opinion. And also, very, very suspiciously, SOUTHCOM, the United States Military Southern Command based in Miami, Florida, was doing preparations and planning and drills for a humanitarian invasion of Haiti in case of a hurricane the day before the earthquake. I will just change hurricane to earthquake. Is that too much of a coincidence or not? What do you think about HAARP? Hugo Chavez himself went on record in the ABC newspaper in Spain saying that the Haiti earthquake was the result of HAARP. And furthermore, there were some missile testing, some war games going on in the vicinity of Haiti and the Dominican Republic in the days leading up to the earthquake. If this is caused by man, it is truly an act of evil that should be, under all circumstances, unpardonable. I'm not convinced it is. I'd like to hear your opinions and your thoughts, and why we saw so much hate, and why not one partner agreed to give 20% of their YouTube earnings to the Haiti earthquake, except me, the one, the only Bundangbear.